Welcome y'all to another DIY video. Excuse my garage. Things are still looking crazy. Although I've removed most of the things that was in here. And let me show you. I put them right there in the shed that I built down there. Please check out the video on that. And also my fence right there, which is looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Check out those videos on the fence and the shed. Anyway, because I have all these woods left from building my fence, so I say, why not just build the shelves for the garage instead of going and buy one? So today, this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna build my shelves. That way, you know, I can put all the stuff you see down here, all my tools and everything on the shelf. You know, so I can get my gym ready to work out, you know what I'm saying? Because right now, things look kind of bad. Anyway, don't forget to, again, like the video, share it, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our videos. All right, so basically I pre-drilled the holes so I can and apply some glue in between. That way I can put it all together. Okay, so I went to Home Depot to get me some plywood. Unfortunately, I don't have a truck to carry, you know, the plywood, so I bought the cheapest thing I could find, which will be good enough to finish the shelves. I don't mean to brag, but I mean, look at this right here. I built this, man. I feel so proud right now. You have no idea. Anyway, I think I made a huge mistake on the second shelf here. If you see, it's not leveled properly, but I'm still loving this, man. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Instead of going and buy one, I built a huge one, and this is pretty big, although I only have 3 shelves, but they're all super big. Now, what a difference from earlier to now. This is pretty cool. Everything pretty much fit right on it, and I still got plenty of space. I love this project right here. Yeah, this was pretty cool. Everything fits right on. Now I got plenty of space. I'm still not done fixing everything. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to check out my channel for all the other DIY videos, and also like, share, subscribe, push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. And also let me know what you think of these DIY videos that I'm making. If you like them, if you don't, if there's anything you want to suggest, no problem at all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.